Hey everybody, welcome back to Free Legal Information Friday. It's Duncan McGilvery here at White McGilvery Lester in Thunder Bay. One big legal question that we've been getting lately is how has COVID affected limitation periods in Ontario? So first of all, what's a limitation period? A limitation period is the amount of time that a person has to start a lawsuit for something. And generally, for personal injury claims, and for most claims in Ontario, it's 2 years. So you have 2 years from the date of the injury or date of the car accident, date of the slip and fall, to officially start your lawsuit, so to file the paperwork at the courthouse. But then we have COVID-19 happen in early 2020. And how does that affect limitation periods? Because a lot of things were shut down, as we all remember. So from March 16th, 2020 to September 14th, 2020, so March 16th, 2020 to September 14th, 2020, the Ontario government suspended all limitation periods. So what does that mean for us now? That means for any limitation period that was running or potentially running during that time period, March to September 2020, we get to add on 6 months or 183 days. So we get to add on that half year to the limitation period. So, if you had a car accident case for a car accident that happened January 1st, 2020, let's say, so just before that suspension, the limitation period is not actually 2 years. We also have that extra 6 months extension on it. So it's extended some of the limitation periods for claims or actions that fall within that time period or around that time period. So always good to talk to a lawyer. You might think you're out of time, you might think the 2 years is up, but maybe with that COVID-19 extension, you actually have a little bit more time to start a lawsuit. But always better to get early advice from a lawyer. The sooner you call us, the better. It's free consultations, so we can tell you about limitation periods, we can tell you about your legal rights, all those sorts of things. Have a great weekend, everyone.